So here you can see that I got a bunch of objects right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to store out views in order to place cameras there. So to do that, you can use the stored views plugin, which you can enable by going into edit and by going into preferences. Once you go to preferences, you can see stored views is an option right here under add-ons. So what you can do is you can enable this out. Once you enable it, you can go around over here onto the menu right here by clicking on this small triangular icon, and then you can go around into view right here. Once you go to view, stored views is an option, as you can see. So you have to click initialize before we can access the settings. So once you do this, let's say I want to access out this particular view right here. So in order to do that, I can just save the view right here, and the view has been saved. You can rename this to, let's say, for example, wide shot over here as well, if you want to. I'm just going to go around and select another view right here. You can go around, save current, and there's another view. You can go down, save current right here. You can go around, save current right here, zoom in, save current, and then save current right here. So you got all these views right here. You can also save out POVs. So you can go around right here and then save current right here, save current, and so forth. So you can go to views or POVs and click on these views right here. And this is how it looks, as you can see. So all of the views that you worked around with, it has been saved right here. Same goes with the POV as well. Everything is saved out. And as you click on it, you can access the view. So another thing that you can do is you can go around, click on camera to view so that the current active camera goes on to the view right here. So this is the camera, as you can see. So notice as I click on camera to view, this camera disappears right here. Camera to view, that camera comes up here. You can also go around and then go around, create a new camera to view right here again. You can go to POVs right here, create camera right here, create camera, as you can see right here. You can go to view, you can go around, create camera for each of the views right here as well. So if I were to go around right here, you can go around into new camera right here, new camera, new camera, new camera. And what you see is you got a bunch of cameras, as you can see, from where you had the view, as you can see right here. You can scroll down and you can view all the cameras. You can click on the cameras to get it selected, as you can see right here. So you can go around right here and click on the previewing camera option to preview the camera as well. You can click on this and you can see that the camera selection is here, just like this. You can see the camera as well, the details right here. You can click on each of the camera right here and then view them out as well. You can click on this to see everything out, as you can see. Over here as well, you see all the cameras right here, just like this. So that is how you can use the stored views to store out views and then generate out camera in particular locations inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.